Ever wonder how people confirmed pregnancy before modern tests? The pregnancy test has a surprising and fascinating history, filled with frogs, grains, and even ancient Egyptian rituals. Let's take a fun journey through the invention and evolution of the pregnancy test. The history of pregnancy detection goes way back, to ancient Egypt around 1350 BCE. Women would urinate on barley and wheat seeds. If the grain sprouted, it was believed the woman was pregnant, and some say they could even guess the baby's gender based on which grain grew first. Crazy, right? But here's the wild part: modern science actually confirmed this test was about 70% accurate. The hormones in urine can stimulate plant growth. The Egyptians were ahead of their time. Fast forward to the 1920s, scientists discovered the hormone HCG, human chorionic gonadotropin, which is produced during pregnancy. This changed everything. By the 1930s and 40s, doctors used the rabbit test. They would inject a woman's urine into a female rabbit. If the rabbit's ovaries reacted, it meant the woman was pregnant. And no, despite the myth, the rabbit didn't die because of the pregnancy, but it did have to be dissected to check the results. Poor bunny. Then came the frog test in the 1940s. The African clawed frog was the star of the show. Scientists injected it with a woman's urine, and if the frog laid eggs within a day, it meant pregnancy. This method was faster, cheaper, and, believe it or not, more humane than the rabbit test. Finally, in 1978, the first home pregnancy test hit the U.S. market. It was called EPT, the Early Pregnancy Test. It worked kind of like a chemistry set and took about 2 hours to show results. But it gave women privacy and control over their own health. Today's tests are over 99% accurate, give results in minutes, and are so simple you can buy them at any drugstore. From barley seeds to frogs to digital screens, what a journey! The pregnancy test is more than just a strip, it's the result of centuries of curiosity, science, and some pretty weird experiments. If you enjoyed these fun facts, give this video a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more cool science and history content. See you in the next one.